Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I will show you how to enable or disable developer options in your OnePlus phone. At first, go to your settings app. Now from here, scroll all the way down, then go to about device. After that, scroll down again, then go to version. Now here you can see build number option. Now to enable developer options, you have to tap 7 times on build number. Now just do it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then type your current pattern and it's done. Now the developer mode has been enabled in your phone. If you want to find it, just go back, then tap on additional settings. From here scroll down again and here you can see developer options. It's enabled now. Also, if you turn off developer options, then just tap here and it's done. Now the developer mode has been disabled successfully. And that is how you can enable or disable developer options in your OnePlus phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.